Hello beautifuls, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and this is my very first YouTube video. So bear with me. There's nowhere but up from here, okay? Today I'm going to do a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. If you aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, it is an online subscription service. You can go online and fill out a questionnaire. You are assigned a personal stylist and they send you items based on your likes and your dislikes that you tell them in your questionnaire. You pay a $20 styling fee and that can be used toward any purchase that you make within the box. So you don't really lose anything, you know, if you buy something, if you have something that you like within the box. If you would like to try the service for free, I'm going to leave a link below. Your first box will be free if you want to click on that link. You can have it delivered monthly, bi-monthly, every 3 months, I believe, or on demand, which is what I have done. This is actually my second box. My first box that I received was probably a couple of weeks ago. I did keep 2 items from that box. I was relatively pleased with the box. I think, you know, it takes a while. You know, you develop a relationship with your stylist and they become more aware of what you like and dislike. I left feedback from the first box, letting them know kind of what my style, a little more about my style. And so I think the information that I left for them was that I would like to have things that were a little less grandma-like. Anyway, everything was super nice. Don't get me wrong. To be fair, it was all quality items. But anyway, to get in, let's just get into the box, okay? You receive, this is what the box looks like. You receive a return mailer, so shipping both ways is free. You receive your information packet. This will have a note from your stylist. It'll have information about the cost of every item. And dropping it everywhere, I'm so sorry. In this box, I did request that she send me a bar necklace, a little dainty bar necklace. I also requested cold shoulder and off the shoulder tops. And I requested a pair of colored skinny jeans, preferably in like an olive. So we'll see what she was able to find for me. She says, "Hello Cheryl, my apologies that your first fix wasn't a hit, but hoping to turn things around with this one. Do you by chance have a Pinterest board I could take a peek at?" Why, yes I do. Yes I do. Okay. If so, simply link it to your profile, and if not, I would love to have you create one. They are easy and fun to do and a great way for me to get a visual of the fashion styles and trends you are loving. Okay, so anyway, this young lady's name is Rachel. This is a different girl. My first girl was Chelsea, so it's fine, whatever. Let's get into the box. You get your little bundle. Comes to you like this. Tear it open. It's like Christmas. It really is. Oh, we have a box. We have a box. Oh. Okay, let's see. See if it's my bar necklace. No. No, it's not. It is, what is it? It is a necklace. Try not to mess it up. It is very delicate, very dainty. Gold tone. It's cute. I don't know how to get it untangled here. It is slightly a tangled mess. Okay, I think like that, okay. It's cute. This little thingy in the center sort of reminds me of an acorn. It's fine. It's fine. It's cute. We'll try it. We'll try it on. Try it on. We'll see what we think. We will see what we think. Okay. My first top is cute. It's a little sleeveless, little flutter sleeve. This is by Market and Spruce. I've seen this in a lot of other people's boxes. This is the tulip sleeve blouse in medium. I like that. I like that. I can feel it. I can dig it. It's cute. It's cute, cute, cute. Okay. The next top is, it's a floral. Looks like a cold shoulder. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. This is by Skies Are Blue, another Stitch Fix brand that I've seen in a lot of other people's videos. This is the Heidi cold shoulder ruffle blouse. I like that. I can dig it. I can dig it. Okay, so the next item that we have in the box is another top. I'm guessing we couldn't find the jeans or the bar necklace. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so the next item is a Kenzie. Looks like a little sleeveless floral print. Little tie front. This is the Kenzie Bannon ruffle detail blouse. Okay, yeah, so it does. It's got the little ruffles in front. It's cute. We'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a chance. The next item, as I dump everything in the floor, the next item is it's a dress. Okay. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not sure. We'll see. It is by Pixley, and it is the Mavis dress in red, size large. I'm thinking no, but we're gonna try it on. We're gonna see. If you like the top that I'm wearing, actually, and my earrings too, they are from Impressions boutique, online boutique. The top is called the Paradise is Calling embroidered top, cold shoulder in black. The earrings are the tassel earrings, I think in teal. Check them out. I'm not sponsored, not endorsed in any way. Just really love their clothes. They have a lot of cute stuff. So now, I guess let's get right into the try on. Okay, so this is the Market and Spruce, the tulip sleeve blouse in medium. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. It's okay. It is $54. I don't know if I like it $54 worth, but we will see. Okay, this one is the Skies Are Blue Heidi cold shoulder ruffle blouse in cobalt. This one is $54. It's cute. The back is like super cute. I don't know if you can see that. Has the little crissy cross thing in the back. Cold shoulders, ruffle. It's got like the little split sides. It's cute. It's a little tight. I don't know. It's like a little tight the way that it's made around the arms. I don't know. I'm not sure if that would bug me. I'm not completely sure if I love the pattern, the print. If this was black, it would be mine. I'm gonna have to think on the flowers. I don't mind floral, but I'm gonna have to think on it. Okay, this is the Kenzie Bannon ruffle detail blouse in medium. It's like layered. It's like a sheer with a layer underneath. Oh, this one is $58. It's cute. Another floral print. I don't mind it. They have really floraled me up in this one. I don't hate floral. I don't think it's my favorite either, but you know, it's cute. It's a cute top. Yeah, so We'll see. Okay, this is the dress. Put it back up so you can see. Step up on this. The dress is the Pixley Mavis dress in red, size large, $68. I don't like it at all. I knew I wouldn't when I pulled it out. It's not a flattering style for my particular figure. It's a pretty print. It's a nice dress. I think that more fitted dresses or sheath dresses actually fit my particular figure better. But this is it. This is the Mavis dress. Okay, here is the necklace. It is the Niagara layered quartz necklace. It is it is $38. It's cute. It's dainty. It sparkles. It's not, however, what I was kind of wanting. And honestly, this whatever this is in the center, like I said earlier, it looks like an acorn to me, and I just don't really want an acorn necklace. It's fine, though. It's fine. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna keep. You know, leave a comment below. Help me out. Help me out. If you're seeing something that I'm not seeing, if you think that they're cute tops. They are cute tops. The dress is a definite no for me, just because of the fit for my personal body style. Yeah, leave me a comment if you would find it in the kindness of your heart to subscribe. I would love that too. And we'll see how this goes. Thank you for watching. Bye.